For the past 2 days, you have been working hard to gather information about your natural disaster. All of you have several sections filled in. Some of those sections have lots of information, and some of those sections only have 1 or 2 facts. Today, we're going to talk about how to decide which information to keep and which information to get rid of. Let me show you what I mean. I think I need to choose 4 to 5 sections to write about. One section should be a big idea fact. On my graphic organizer, I'm going to circle when earthquakes happen because that's definitely a big idea. Now I have to decide what else I should keep and what I should get rid of. I'm going to look through my notes. I think the section about seismic waves is really important, so I'll circle that section. I think I want to write about some historical earthquakes, so I'll circle that part. I'm not sure that I need to know all about every earthquake I listed here, so I'm going to just circle the ones I think that will interest my readers. Also, I think that it is very interesting that some earthquakes are unnoticeable and others cause major damage, so I will circle that part. Everything else I'm going to cross out with a single line, because if I decide I want to use that later, I can still read the facts that I wrote down. Today, you are going to go through this same process. I would like you to look through your graphic organizer and decide which sections you're going to keep and which ones you're not going to use. It is okay not to use all your information. We have to choose only the most important and most interesting facts to inform our readers about natural disasters.